That's it. I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way.
Just ram it in there and try it.
Ramadam down.
Ramadama. Hey everybody. We're really excited today. I am going to share with you something that we haven't talked about yet at all. It's been sitting at our house for 3 years. And well, we got it from Kenny. So the guy that we went to get all of those Ford parts from last week.
My bestest car friend.
Yeah,
you guys have seen him lots.
He's so fun.
So anyways,
we got
sold me the
from him.
car based on the fact that I would basically, well, I really needed a 409 and he had...
Should we tell him what it is?
Yeah, tell him what it is.
It's a 61 bubble top. Chevy. And it's patinaed perfectly.
Impala, and that's why we've called it Ramon. So, over the last 2 years, what we've done is taken one of the engines that Kenny gave me that was really fresh and really good. Well, not really fresh and really good, but it was just one of the ones that wasn't completely wore out, and we put new rings in it, new bearings in it. We basically did your sort of at-home rebuild. Something that would be simple, but something that would still look cool in the car. His vision for the car is he wanted a barn-fresh car. So if you're pulling this car out of the barn, it has to look 50 years old. It has to look like it's never been restored. It has original paint, which is wicked. Teresa and I want to take it one step further and just put absolutely new interior in it. But for now, I really want to get it running in the next month or so. So the project is take the rebuilt engine, so new gaskets, new valve guides, reseated the valves, new piston rings. We kept the old pistons because they were good. Washed out all the piston, the connecting rod pins. We put new bearings in it. The crank was really good, so it didn't need much of anything. So that's the engine right there. So the only way to tell that it's been rebuilt is by looking around, and you'll see, well, hardly see, some of the gaskets. So some of the gaskets are fresh, and you can just kind of see that through everything. Yes. So it should look very barn fresh still. We found a set of these killer valve covers, which I think are pretty rare. Probably 409 pieces, but they were chrome. They're not good enough to go on a real show car or anything that anybody cares about, but they are absolutely perfect for this car. We're gonna get this loaded up and introduce you to Ramon. And in this episode, we're really hoping we're gonna get this engine and a 4-speed transmission into the car so that we can get excited about getting the car running.
There's only one person at our house that's going to be disappointed that we're working on Ramon. The bunny.
Oh, the bunny. Yeah. We have a bunny living under Ramon. Oh, you fucker. I want everybody to comment who's ever used one of these stupid engine stands, the cherry pickers. Let me know if any of you have ever had one where the wheels work properly. And I think it's gotten way worse since all these things come from overseas. See that wheel? It's supposed to steer.
Ooh.
That would make things way nicer. This truck always looks better with
an engine
in the back.
Or a dirt bike or a
well, it just lowers
mini bike.
Makes it look the right height. Okay, so we're going to do a couple things here.
Okay. Do you want me to spin it this way so it fits in the back?
Oh. This cherry picker's a pile of junk.
Do you want me to spin it this way?
We need it deeper in the truck.
Yeah, I see that.
So, here, hang on. I need you to listen. Hold the tailgate.
Okay.
Let me push. Because you're pushing on that motor, it's not going to get it anywhere. Ah, fuck. It's stuck.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Truck's too low. Damn it.
That's far enough. No?
No, because we got to get the cherry picker also in the truck, love.
Oh, shit.
Okay, that's that. Down she goes. Mounts that I had.
They're right there on the chair.
Okay, so this would be not that one.
This one.
Nope. This would be that one. So this must be.
Oh yeah.
No?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Maybe. Nope, not even.
I think you got two the same. By the looks of it.
Fuck, we do. No, I don't.
No?
Definitely don't. That doesn't go there. This would go there, maybe. Fuck. I can't believe this is this tricky. This is what the internet should be good for. That's it. I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way.
Just ram it in there and try it?
Ramadam down.
Ramadama? Ram it!
Have I got two jacks here or just one?
I've only seen one.
Okay, we might have to grab. Do you want to go outside and grab two rims that are the same, kind of behind the 240? All right, we're gonna raise it up some more. Because I got a feeling when I'm laying under there, trying to get the transmission and the drive shaft to fit, this isn't gonna be that easy. Yeah, perfect. I think we're pretty good. Of course, we could have a fancy tilting engine tilter, but we don't.
We could have $1 million too, but we don't.
No, we don't. What we're gonna do though, to keep the chain from going, creating a bunch of problems, and avoid being like...
What was your friend's name? The guy that had that blue...
Okay. Sweetheart, come on, focus.
Squirrel!
Okay. So,
are you going to be high enough that you're not going to hit the bumper?
we first have to get over that, then it has to tilt like this to get into the hole, then it has to go right back up. The jack will have to pick it up down here.
Okay.
I'm assuming this is your first engine install.
No, we took the engine out of my Camaro.
Oh, we did like a bunch of times.
8 times.
Okay.
I am not a virgin engine installer.
You've done it once.
I'm just a
This thing,
novice.
A piece of garbage. Okay, you have to almost help me here. Make it look like I'm not doing it completely by myself. Go check the back of the transmission there so it doesn't... These f***ing wheels. Once they've turned, it'll... I think I'm going to have a really inexpensive engine crane for sale on Facebook Marketplace this week. Okay. Okay, now you need to kick that wheel in, love.
Okay.
Or just run the back of it.
Oh. I can't push it down, honey.
That's fine, just hang on. All right. Well, get your fingers out of there because this thing's rammy, right? actually not working that bad.
Nope.
Whoopsie-daisy. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the transmission here. Make things even harder to deal with. Doesn't need to be picked up by much. Yeah, that's probably good. What we need to do is just pull it. Yeah, there we go. That's what we needed.
Yep.
Now just jam it in there a bit further.
It's just stuck on that. There you go. Oi!
Jesus. We are a total disaster here. Not our proudest moment here. But I am buying a new engine crane.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
Not really happy with that one. It's crazy how nice and rust-free this car is. Especially by Canadian standards. Okay! Still fighting the engine.
Yep.
I think I gotta get in there and
Yeah.
deal with the mess in there.
There's a carpet over there if you want to lay on the floor ground.
Just, here, sweetheart, I need to see.
Yeah, I know.
Unless you're making things happen here. Okay. Ooh, carpet. Carpet seems like a not terrible idea. I said the carpet seems like a not terrible idea.
Yeah, I thought it was a good idea. The dash is in relatively good shape in this thing.
The what?
The dash.
Oh.
Just looking at it from the... And what's really neat is that the glass is perfect. The
Won't get to hear that. It's my first time seeing under this car. Ooh.
Scary?
Oh, fuck.
What?
Drive shaft looks like it's too long.
Oh, man.
Doesn't make any sense. Fuck around. Shit. Do you want to jack the jack up, love?
Jack the jack up. Coming.
Slow, slow, slow. I'm under here and could get hurt. Okay, keep going now. A little more. Just, yeah, that's... Did everything kind of slide back there? Did everything kind of slide back there?
Yep.
According to this mount, we should be close. Ugh. But we're not.
No, we're 2 inches away. Well, we're, yeah.
Here's your guy. Oh no, that's Ronnie.
I was gonna say.
Okay, how close are you on your mount now?
We're almost on it.
Okay, I'll go look at... Oh, Ronnie, how are you?
Hey, Ronnie.
I'm alright.
Ugh.
Engine mount 101.
Yeah. Aren't you supposed to be underneath?
Do
Put
it.
your fingers in the way?
And do it again. Do it. And do it again.
I used to do that all the time, but that's because I was drunk.
No. I don't know what to say. This transmission should be right for this fucking car.
Nope. There. We got a slip. We got moved into place.
Ron, you want to just give that a wiggle and just
It's too far forward still.
kick that stupid engine crane? You have to kick it to do anything.
Did you come in?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, don't roll the car onto me. We're close.
Yeah, you need It's got to come down on my side about an inch and a half.
Yeah, and
there, but
and I was just gonna say, if we were down a little bit, the
you're pretty close.
right here, it's just hitting on it's hitting on the firewall.
Want me to come down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you came down, but watch it,
How quickly does
it
this-
jumps.
does this
Yes,
one? Yeah.
it jumps. Whoa, careful.
I don't think they made 6-cylinder
No.
Impalas.
Is that the where you're pulling?
Yeah, he's good, love.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, hang on. Now we need to go back.
My side's gonna land perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, my side's gonna land also. I think I've just
a bit more?
cleared. Yeah, see if it'll drop in.
Ooh, she's beauty.
Okay, does it line? Could you
Mine's
see?
mine's
here?
mine's
Can you see
lining
it
up.
Perfect.
Okay.
Mine's just got to drop half of an inch,
You
and
don't want to say it, do you?
I was gonna say it. As my dad would say,
Yeah.
a red one.
You know what? They're all different. Some are bigger than others.
Yeah.
And
Some are
have
not that good.
none, and some have none at all. You gotta
Okay,
come,
so we gotta come down
on-
just a bit more on.
Yeah.
You showed up just in time.
Yeah, you
Sure
did.
did, didn't I?
You always need that third arm, right?
Oh, yeah.
Well, 2 men or a man and 2 women probably. We're getting close to needing therapy there an hour ago.
We need therapy all the fucking time.
Bad.
A minute.
It's not going in, so get a bit of a persuader involved here.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna go in
Which
from
way?
from the
From
back
the
side,
back?
love.
That sounds
Done.
promising.
Jesus,
Done,
that's pretty cool.
baby. Not 5 times in and out. That's good.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Let me just check something else.
Yeah,
No, don't.
Don't tighten up the bolts.
I haven't got 100% faith in all of this, but
It's a different training.
well, I don't know. Like it got taken apart 25 years ago. Well, no, it probably got taken apart
Here,
40 years ago. 25 years ago, it started to get restored. 20 years ago, I saw it and they stalled. They just quit working on it. And now
Do
we're
you-
fitting an engine. I don't think this was a 348 car, so I think this is a 283 car. Fitting a 348 in it with a 4-speed, not a 3-speed. I just noticed at the back that drive shaft's not going to work, so we're going to have to figure that out. But
You don't want me to bolt it then? Or
I
just
think
leave
having
it?
the pins in is fine. Yeah, I think we could probably bolt that in. We'll put a transmission mount in it somehow a little later. Harmonic balancer.
And drive around there?
Yeah. You want a cheap engine crane?
No.
No.
Well, that was way more difficult than it was supposed to be. Watch for Facebook Marketplace for a crane being for sale soon. If you like this episode, please share, comment, don't forget to like it, and subscribe. And I think JF's gone inside to go get a beer. We'll be having more episodes of the Impala soon. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.